Hi, I'm Connie with Promotion by the River, and are you ready for day 20 of the Advent boxes? This is Missouri Star Quilt Company's box. There is 20 there. Feels like fabric. And this is day 20 of the soft squares. Let's open up the soft squares first. Aha! Let's see what we have here. This is day 20. I am friends with Vicki of Creative Notions. I love her custom rulers and patterns. When I found out that I could get my hands on this ruler, I had to grab it. This is not as intimidating as you think. Try a small project first. Ooh. So here's a pattern. The pattern is called Stardust. It does a table runner that's 21.5 by 59, or you can do a wall hanging that's 35.5. Creative Notions has really nice, rulers. Let's see what this looks like. There we go. And it's a 15-degree ruler. I know I've got a lot of different ones in my stash. I don't know if I have a 15-degree. But there you can see it. That's pretty neat. That would be fun to use. And with the pattern. This is day 20, so the value of this is $35. Pretty neat. That was from Soft Squares. And this is Missouri Star Quilt Company, day 20. And another panel, not a panel. What this is I don't know who makes this, but you can buy fabric now on Spoon River. And like this, you can see different sizes. What is this? Like 9 inches. This is 9 inches by 16. But so you get a variety of fabrics. Pretty neat. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 different fabrics on here. That's nice. That is nice. Good variety of fabrics. So that was day 20. What'd you think? Are you enjoying seeing the different days and what we've received? Come back tomorrow for day 21. Thank you.